up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My whole got.
What's up, everybody? Danimal here. It's Friday morning. I still have to go to work later, guys, so it's gonna be just a really short video. So a lot of you guys already kind of guessed or know what I'm gonna be doing to the car. The recent part that I just picked up, pretty much everybody already guessed it right. So basically today I'm just gonna show you what it is and let you know exactly what I'm gonna be doing to it as far as my plans, and maybe an estimate of how long it's gonna take for me to get those parts and do everything like that. So first of all, let me show you what I got. Alright guys, so the other day what I picked up from SKUNK2 was a SKUNK2 Ultra Series intake manifold. And also what I'm going to be changing is my short ram intake. I'm going to be going with the SKUNK2 cold air intake, and I believe it's just going to be better a lot. You know, obviously I think a short ram or a cold air intake is going to be way better than a short ram intake. And then also I'm going to be buying some bigger injectors, the 550 sized ones. And then I'm possibly going to be doing the flex fuel, and also I'm going to be purchasing a SKUNK2 fuel rail. And then I also need a throttle body adapter, I believe. And I already have the list and everything, so I just have to basically mark off everything that I buy. And then I'm going to be tuning with Darden. I already let him know that soon, in a couple months, I'm going to be going over there and I'm going to be tuning with him. So basically, I already have everything kind of mapped out. I hope I'm not running into any problems here in the future. And, you know, we'll just go from there. And, you know, it's a live and learn kind of experience. And that's exactly what I'm doing now with the short ram intake that I want to replace for cold air. I should have done it from the start, but I was always scared of getting it hydro locked and all that stuff when it rains. Even though it doesn't even rain that much in California, but when it does, it's really bad. You guys all know. Anyways, so that's going to be the end of the video. I'm just cleaning up the engine bay. I just have nothing to do, so why not do that? Alright guys, so I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. We'll be vlogging tomorrow at the Clutch block party, so I will be taking pictures, so make sure you guys do follow me on Instagram so you guys can see all the pictures that I'm taking. And also I'll be taking pictures for 360 products once again. I actually have a box of 360 products that I'm going to be washing my car with tomorrow morning right before the show. So shout out to 360. I don't know if you guys watch my videos, but if you guys do, hey, 360 products, guys. Anyways, peace, guys. Have a good day.
Trunk, I open up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran, do that shit, yikes. Hey, I'm a businessman and